A lot of people know Kapwing, our free online editor, as a meme maker, but not many people realize that it's also great for making meme templates. You can make any type of meme template in Kapwing, from static images with text to video memes to even GIF memes. You can easily share any template that you make in Kapwing with your friends who can then make their own version just by going to the link that you send them. Kapwing is a free online meme maker, and you can just sign in to remove any watermarks for free. To get started, just click the first link in the description below and I'll meet you there. So to make your own meme template, just go to the first link in the description below, click that, and you will go into Kapwing Studio, which is our free online editor. I'll first be going over how to just make a regular static text and image meme template. It's really easy. Just you can start with a blank canvas and then upload your own image if you have it, or you can use our image search, which sources from Google Images, to search for an image. So I'm going to search for The Office Michael scenes just to find something. Okay, I'm going to grab this image here, and you can see it has text on it. I only want this bottom image. So you can obviously crop images here. Just click the image and then click crop. Resize that. And I want this meme to be a 1:1 size. So I clicked the canvas, clicked 1:1 to change the size. And then you can see that this image is now cut off. To retain its original dimensions, just click the image and click lock ratio. And that is what it originally looked like. So I don't want some of this background. I kind of just want to see if I want to make a meme where it's just Michael, just his face and body without this background. So I'm going to click the image and click erase on the side here. And you can just erase using the magic wand or the freehand erase tool to get rid of that background. So with the magic wand, if you click and drag, it selects areas that are similar to each other. So it selected all of this. I'm gonna just hit delete on the keyboard now, and it deletes that. You can also use the freehand erase tool, which might be easier in a case like this, to get rid of some of this background. So I did this a little quickly. It's not the best edit ever, but I think you get the idea that you can erase backgrounds. You can either leave it completely blank, and if you share it with people, they're gonna add their own text, or you can add a text box and kind of demonstrate. So you can write something random like, cool. So if this is my template and I'm happy with it, all you have to do is click export image. This is the final product, and you can obviously download it to your local device, but to share it with others and for them to use it as a template, all you have to do is click copy link, copy the link, and send it to them. And I'm gonna go in an incognito browser to demonstrate this. I'm just gonna paste the link, and this is what someone else will see. This is the view that someone will see when they receive your link. They can either download this exact image, or they can go in and edit and make their own. So when they click edit, it makes a copy of your template, and they can now edit and change things around in here. And then they can just click export image and share around their version of the meme and the template too. So to make a video meme, go back to the Kapwing Studio, just click the first link in the description below. Add your video by uploading your own file or by pasting the link to another video. So for example, YouTube links are a great one to use for this. This is the stick bug dancing meme thing that has been going around, and I just want to use the bug itself, the video. You can hear that there's other music in the background. But I wanted to add my own music on top of this video. So I'm just gonna grab the YouTube video URL, copy it, and paste it right into here. So the video is pulled up now. We can hear that it's still the same video with the same music. But I'm going to first mute the audio on this video, and then to add your own music, you can just click audio on the top. And here you can upload an audio file, like an MP3 file. You could even record your own voiceover or paste a link again. So I'm gonna grab this song and copy the link, paste it right into the box. That song has been added. We can hear what it sounds like.
How many shrimps do you have to eat?
You can then click done. You can add whatever else, like text, images. You can also do things like animate the canvas, animate the actual video layer. If you click it and click animate on the side, one that I really like is he rotate.
How many shrimps do you have to?
So I'm happy with this video as a template. I'm going to now click export and the video should load. So my video is done loading. To share it with someone else as a template, I can now just copy the link, same as before. And this is what it looks like to someone that's shared on it. So again, they can just go in, click edit, and it will bring up the same video with the audio already attached. And they can either change the audio, change the video, add things to it, and will have created their own meme from your template. Again, make sure to sign in to remove the watermark at the end. It's free and easy to do. So the last type of meme template I'm going to cover is a GIF meme template. Basically, just go back to the studio and you can either upload a GIF using this upload button, or you can just search for a GIF in the images tab. So I'm gonna search for the office GIF. I'm just gonna click this one. So this is the GIF. You can do whatever you want to it. I'm just gonna have, like, you would put the caption up here with text, resize it to 5x4 so it's a little bigger. So the important step for a GIF meme template like this is that you click the settings wheel under the red export button first, and then you click output file GIF. This ensures that the file that results after you click export is an actual GIF. But once you're done with that and you're happy with how it looks, just go ahead and click export image again. So our GIF is finished. You can see that I'm not even clicking play or anything and the thing is playing. And when you download it, you can see that the file type is .gif. So same thing, to share this meme template with people, for them to make their own version, copy the link. And I'm back in an incognito browser. I'm gonna just paste the link and you can see that the same options, they can go in and edit the GIF. They could add their own caption. And then once they click export, this is the final product that they made, and you can see it's their own meme now. And like I said, you can just sign in to remove the watermark. Just sign into your account, it's free, and it'll remove this watermark here. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content creation and meme tips and tricks. We'd love to see what you're creating, so if you do share your template on social media, tag us at Kapwing app. We'll see you in the next video.